We have breaking news. Tesla battery factory at Giga Berlin is pre-approved. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for Tesla and EV news daily and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla or electric vehicle news coverage. So we have a breaking news. BIS Berlin is reporting, actually Michael Sauerbier from BIS Berlin is reporting that Tesla CEO Elon Musk is allowed to prepare the construction of the world's largest battery factory in Brandenburg. At Giga Berlin, Tesla had said that Tesla was going to build the world's largest battery factory to supply the cars that are built at Giga Berlin. And now Tesla CEO Elon Musk is allowed to prepare the construction of the world's largest battery factory in Brandenburg. The Federal Ministry of Economics has allowed the US group Tesla to, quote-unquote, begin measures temporarily at your own risk. This means that Tesla is going to build the battery factory at Giga Berlin in the same way it was building the Giga Berlin itself, with temporary measures, with provisional measures. That means you get little permit to build a certain part, let's say the foundation of the building, and then while you're building the foundations, your architects are working on the next part, you apply that to the government, and the government is studying that and giving it back to you. You build at your own risk with provisional measures. If you have been following this channel for a long time, or Giga Berlin, you probably already know what provisional measures are, because Giga Berlin itself has not yet received its final permit and has been building with provisional measures. In fact, recently Tesla had to make that 100 million euro security deposit in case the final permit doesn't come, and in case Tesla Giga Berlin project has to be dismantled, and that 100 million security deposit was going to be used to dismantle Tesla Giga Berlin. But let's continue diving into the BIS Berlin's report and see what else is there about Tesla's battery factory at Giga Berlin. The news surprised the Brandenburg government. No application for Tesla's battery production has yet been received, as I reported yesterday. But at the Federal Ministry of Economics, Chief Peter Altmaier from the CDU party has bundled the memory cell projects of several manufacturers and submitted them to the EU Commission, reports BIS Berlin. Now, Brussels should examine the application and allow the billions of dollars of funding with tax money. We expect the state aid approval by the Commission soon, says the federal minister. But the electric car market leader Tesla can get started now. Tesla and other participants were allowed to start preliminary measures at their request, said Altmaier's spokeswoman, and quote, that means the companies can start preparatory work for their projects at their own risk. This means Tesla can start building the Giga Berlin's battery factory preparatory work at its own risk. If you remember, yesterday I reported that Tesla was already looking for stuff to start the work at Giga Berlin's battery factory, and now I think it's based on this new development that yesterday we still didn't know. BIS Berlin is also reporting that Berlin and Brussels are still silent on the location, size, and number of jobs that Tesla battery factory will provide. Tesla recently applied for the construction of a huge hole in the southeast of its building site, possibly a case for the battery factory. Now, I think the Tesla battery factory will be in the premises of Giga Berlin or southeast, where, like I reported the puzzle 2 days ago, that Tesla is looking to acquire a warehouse where which will be the size of 3 soccer field. That's huge. Now, but there is a water protection area there, not on other areas. Tesla is planning more environmentally friendly dry batteries, said Brandenburg Economic Minister Jörg Steinbach on Wednesday. This will not be a chemical factory. That means different regulations for Tesla when Tesla applies for the permit of the battery factory. But first, the state Environment Agency must finally approve the car companies, the car factory, according to Business Berlin's information. Apparently now it's delayed until March. That's what Biz Berlin reports, the final permit of Giga Berlin. I thought it was going to come by the end of February. Now it's apparently March. It's delaying again. Tesla can only submit the building application for the battery factory after receiving the EU funding permit. It must be publicly displayed. So look forward for a lot of information coming on this, friends. But I think it's very exciting that Tesla is going ahead building its own battery factory, and that means less relying on its traditional battery partners like SK Innovation, Panasonic, Cattle, and LG Chem. But it's good news that Tesla is building its battery factory, and there is at least some provisional preliminary permit for Tesla from the federal government that it can start building that factory. And let's see how things develop until on that. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Friends, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla news coverage. Have a wonderful day. God bless you, everyone, and see you soon.